Hitting your stride, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, hitting your stride. This expression is packed with meaning and is commonly used in both professional and personal contexts. Stick around to learn not just what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Hitting your stride refers to reaching a level of performance or a state of being where you are performing at your best. It's like finding the perfect pace that allows you to move forward effectively and efficiently. Imagine a runner who starts off slow but gradually finds the perfect pace to run longer distances without tiring quickly. That's exactly what this phrase is all about, but it applies to much more than just running. It's about reaching a point where your skills, efforts, and abilities are being utilized in the best possible way. The phrase, hitting your stride, originates from the world of sports, particularly from racing and walking competitions. It signifies the moment when an athlete finds the most effective rhythm or pace to maximize performance. Over time, this expression has transcended the realm of physical activity to be applied in a variety of contexts, including work, learning, and personal development. Understanding its origin helps us appreciate the versatility and power of this expression in motivating us to find our own pace in different areas of life. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a professional setting, after months of training, I finally feel like I'm hitting my stride at work. In learning a new skill, it took a few weeks, but I'm hitting my stride with learning Spanish now. In personal growth, she's really hit her stride in her painting skills recently. These examples show that whether you're talking about work, learning a new language, or developing a hobby, hitting your stride can be a powerful way to express that moment of breakthrough and optimal performance. Hitting your stride is a versatile and inspiring phrase that speaks to the journey of improvement and finding your optimal pace in any endeavor. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone learning a new skill, remember that hitting your stride takes time, patience, and practice. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you're now more confident in using it in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.